What's up guys? If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago kong videos. Ngayon ay around 5 AM and gumising ako ng maaga para surprisahin ko ang aking family ng isa sa mga pinakamasarap kong specialty dishes. Ito ang Tuna Pesto Pasta. So what are you waiting for? Let's start cooking! Here are the ingredients that I am going to use. Spaghetti pasta, ground black pepper, iodized salt, tuna flakes in oil, fresh basil leaves, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, and cashew nuts. Sa isang malaking cooking pot, naglagay ako ng water. Then I covered the pot at hinayaan kong kumulo yung water. I added 1 to 2 tablespoons ng salt para ma-enhance ko yung flavor ng pasta. Then I partially submerge the pasta into the boiling water. I push the pasta into the water using a pasta fork to make sure na completely submerged lahat ng strand. And then hinayaan ko lang kumulo yung pasta. And then I check kung al dente na yung pasta. And I transferred the cooked pasta into a colander. I used our master chopper to transform the basil leaves, garlic, and cashew nuts into smaller pieces. I set the same cooking pot over medium heat and then I poured in the olive oil. Then I added the pesto mix and fried it for about 1 minute. I added the tuna flakes with its oil kasi mas magiging flavorful yung sauce kung isasama natin yung oil from the can. Then I put in 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1 tablespoon of iodized salt. I added the cooked pasta into the pot and I tossed until the noodle strands are completely covered with pesto sauce. And after a while, we could already serve our tuna pesto pasta.